here. So we are waiting for this zone to be tapped. I can actually set an order limit on this demand zone with 2 pip stop loss. And now we just play price forward. Let's see what happens. Actually, price broke through another supply zone here. So this is an extra confirmation. This is a really, really strong zone that started the whole order flow that broke several supply zones to the upside. And it also created some more liquidity for this zone here, as you can see. So we have double liquidity confirmation. And it also swapped the liquidity from this region. So this is a really, really strong zone. Okay, our limit is still here. We can actually target the next higher time frame zone, which could be, let's switch to the 5-minute chart, which could be actually this zone, because this zone is a huge supply zone, as you can see. So I will just mark this supply zone out and set this zone as our target point. Okay. Switch back to the 1-minute chart. We are waiting for this zone to be tapped. Let's play price forward. Actually, we are tapped into the trade. As you can see, we are tagged, and price almost hit our stop loss, but it did not reach the stop loss level, so we are still in the trade. We had a huge reaction. Actually, this movement, this candle was just a simple liquidity sweep. As you can see, we have liquidity in this region for equal candles. So as I talked about in the liquidity units, this candle is just a perfect liquidity sweep candle. Swap the liquidity from this region, and after the liquidity sweep, it can reverse the price and continue the overall bullish order flow. So we are expecting this supply zone to be tapped, and this trade is actually 1 to 10 risk-reward ratio. So we are risking 1% and we will gain 10% profit. Let's see what happens. Just play price forward. As you can see, price is moving up, ranging a little bit. I will just extend this zone. Play price forward. As you can see, it's creating breakout structures to the upside and immediately hit TP. So it ranged here, created lots of liquidity here also, and lots of liquidity here also. And this candle swapped that liquidity. And after the upside movement, swapped the liquidity from this region. And after the liquidity sweeps, it just continuously broke structure to the upside, and it did hit our TP, which was the 5-minute supply zone. So as you can see, this was the flip scenario. So once again, price did hit the higher time frame demand zone, which is this one. After the high-end time frame demand zone hit and mitigation, it created liquidity. After price swept that liquidity, so we have a higher time frame zone. First criteria, liquidity sweep. Second criteria, liquidity creation. One more criteria, and flip scenario, because this was the last supply zone that created a breakout structure to the downside. And price reacted on this zone, couldn't break above, just wicked above. It isn't a break. After it reacted on that, supply took over control from demand again. After this, demand took over control from supply because it blew up to the upside with a huge inefficient movement, breaking through this supply zone. Limit order on this zone. Limit order did set. Liquidity sweep from this region. We are tagged into the trade, targeting the next unmitigated 5-minute or 15-minute supply zone. And bam, TP hit. So this is the live example for the flip scenario. See you in the next one.